What's up, guys? It's me, Tony, and if my shirt looks a little dirty, it's just because I just played on the playground and I got a bunch of wood chips and I just wanted to do something real quick here. This is I've never done a video about this. When I was little, I used to like this a lot, but then wrestlers, they kind of took away from Legos, and I earned $10 today, which that's not all the money I have, and I thought I would spend it on something, and I got this Lego set right here. It's Lego Marvels Superheroes, and as you can see, it has Hobgoblin, Ghost Rider, and Spider-Man, which I already have Spider-Man, but I don't have the rest. But still, it's nice to have a new Spider-Man, or a more newer Spider-Man. And so I'll show you what the figures look like. This is the Spider-Man. You can see, and as you can see, he flings off this thing, which is pretty cool. I'm not doing it right now, but it flings off. That's really cool. I like this Spider-Man, and it has a web. Next up is it's really hard to say this guy's name. Hobgoblin. You can see, I've seen him, but I've seen him like in the movies. He's really cool. I like his hoodie, and his pumpkin, and I really like his little ride. It's pretty neat. I think this is a really decent figure. Okay, next up. This is not a figure, as you can see. It's just a part of the Lego set. See? Okay, so as you can see, here, I'm sorry. This is such a bad angle. As you can see, oh my gosh. Okay, as you can see, there is, as you can see, I really like this because this opens up and it has news in it. I really like that. You can see, and then there's the road lights, and then there's like Bleecker Street right there, and then there's 2nd Avenue. It's really cool. And then there's a trash can. That's really it. I thought this was a nice piece of the Lego set. And not but last least, one of my favorites out of all of these, Ghost Rider. I love this figure. Just the details and everything. I really like this figure. I didn't think I was going to like him this good. The only thing I would change about him really is I would make it where you can take his hair off. That'd be epic. But he's still a great figure. Man, I want to see new figures of this guy, because Ghost Rider is really cool. I think he is. I don't know about you guys. And my dad might come in here right now, but just ignore him because he's looking for his phone. So see, there's like a back wheel, a really big back wheel, and then a small front wheel. And okay, guys, thanks for watching my newest Lego set video. Um,
I'm not watching anything bad.
no, told you my dad was gonna come in here. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. You go to your local Walmart or wherever. You go to Toy Owl. Get yourself this Lego set or any Lego set. I'll tell you, you will enjoy it a lot. And I still have a lot of Legos. Maybe in another video, I'll show you all my Legos. Thanks for watching, guys. I may do another video, so don't ask why I'm wearing the same shirt. Thanks for watching, and bye.